Welcome to SealMaster, the #1 name in pavement maintenance products and equipment for over 55 years. Like landscaping, pavement is one of the first things that people notice when they arrive at a home, business, or neighborhood. It's the welcome mat to any property. It's also one of the most valuable property assets. SealMaster products beautify, repair, and protect all types of asphalt pavement surfaces, including driveways, parking lots, and roads. With nationwide manufacturing and distribution, SealMaster is the one-stop source for contractors seeking the industry's best products, equipment, and service. SealMaster has helped thousands of seal coating contractors grow and succeed in the pavement maintenance business. Pavement maintenance represents an ideal strategy for expanding and diversifying your landscaping business. It's a great way to grow sales and enjoy excellent profit potential with minimal capital investment. Pavement maintenance allows you to offer an additional, much-needed service to your current customers while expanding your overall customer base. Contact us today to learn more about this exciting opportunity to join the SealMaster nationwide contractor network.